case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In what came to be a landmark case in the Georgia Court of Appeals, the McMurrays clashed with the Housworths over an unexpected easement on a 24-acre property they bought. The sale didn't go as planned when the McMurrays discovered an existing easement that limited the use of their newly acquired land, which they had split into 2 parcels complete with a lake created by a dam. The bone of contention was a floodwater detention easement held by the owner and operator of the dam. This easement enabled the storage and detention of impounded waters on the McMurrays' land and even allowed ingress and egress rights on the property. The McMurrays contended this encroachment infringed upon their rights, ultimately leading them to sue the Housworths for breach of their general warranty of title. The lower court's initial ruling favored the Housworths. They granted them summary judgment, arguing that the easement was akin to zoning-type regulations and did not amount to a breach of the general warranty of title due to the McMurrays' prior knowledge. However, unlike typical public roadways permitted by the Desvergers rule in Georgia land law, this easement was a burden to the McMurrays' land rather than a benefit. Contrary to the lower court ruling, the Superior Court's verdict turned the tables. While floodwater detention easements were typically considered non-breaching under the law, the Superior Court felt the general rule needed exception. They deemed the easement interfered significantly with McMurray's property rights, rejecting an unwarranted extension of the Desvergers rule to floodwater detention easement that offered no clear benefits to the property. The McMurrays' victory was, however, short-lived. An eventual reevaluation overturned the Superior Court decision due to uncertainties about the damages. The case bounced back to the lower court, demonstrating how the complexities of land law can lead to challenging and unpredictable outcomes.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.